This video will show you how to use the Smeg 10-in-1 Countertop Oven. For instructions on how to set this appliance up for the first use, including setting the time, please click on the video linked in the description. The appliance has two control dials. The left dial allows you to navigate through cooking and settings menus, and is in control of starting or stopping cooking programs. The right dial allows you to amend cooking options, such as temperature and time, and is pressed to confirm the chosen settings. This button can also be used to access the settings menu. To navigate through the menus and select a function, begin by rotating the left control dial. The first menu is for oven functions. The second is for steam functions, and the third is for the automatic chef programs. The arrow can be pressed to take you back to the previous step. To access the oven menu, rotate the dial as before to find the fan symbol. Press the left dial to select and enter into this menu. From here, you can choose from a whole host of functions. Firstly, convection, perfect for crispy and golden roast veg and potatoes. Next, fan assist, the bake function, for even browning and beautiful rise for cakes and pastries. Grill and gratin, which creates a bubbling, melted finish for dishes like potato dauphinoise, lasagna and pasta bake. Bottom heat for base baking, great for pizza, pastry tarts and crisping from the bottom up. The air fry function, for golden and crispy results using less fat in less time. Perfect for chips, wedges, breaded and battered foods to name a few. You'll also find handy functions such as keep warm, perfect for keeping dishes warm before serving without overcooking, and defrost, great for gently defrosting foods safely in a sealed unit. Once a function has been selected, it's then possible to change the temperature and add a timer too. Simply rotate the right-hand dial to increase or decrease the temperature. With the degrees symbol flashing, press the button to add a minute minder. This will sound an alert after a set period of time. Next, let's look at the steam functions. Located next to the oven menu, the steam menu can be found with the symbol representing a burst of steam. Press the left dial to view the steam functions. These include full steam, for a more nutritious and space-saving equivalent to boiling on the hob. Use 100% steam to cook dishes such as rice, vegetables, even bagels and steam buns for delicious results every time. Next, convection steam, which combines oven heat with bursts of steam, great for retaining moisture in foods. This is perfect for loaves of bread, cakes, and even perfect roasting results. With caramelised exterior because of the oven heat, and tender, juicy interior thanks to the addition of steam, this is the perfect function for roasting. Grill steam is ideal for cooking pork chops and sausages. It's caramelised on the outside whilst keeping them succulent and tender. Once the steam function has been selected, the right control dial can be used to adjust the level of steam and, as before, pressing once again can be used to set a timer. Before pressing start, ensure the water tank has been filled. Lift the lid and remove using the handle. Fill into the left-hand side of the tank. The right side must be kept empty, as excess water is expelled into this compartment at the end of cooking. Fill to the maximum level with fresh, clean water and replace back into the machine, then press start. As with the oven, a preheat phase is necessary when cooking with steam. Once preheated, the oven will emit an alert. Please ensure to stand to the side when opening the door to allow the steam to escape safely. Place your food into the oven and the oven will begin cooking. Cooking with the addition of steam is an easy way to add more moisture, nutrients and flavour into foods. But it can be daunting to use these programs for the first time, especially when using alongside conventional oven functions. For this reason, there are 33 automatic chef-tested cooking functions that mean you can select the dish you're cooking, input the weight, and the oven will do the rest, selecting the perfect function, temperature, time, and even which tray to use to produce delicious results with minimal effort. The automatic programs to choose from include meats, fish, vegetables and side dishes, cakes and sweets, and breads, pizzas, pies and flans. These programmes can be found easily in the lid of the water tank. To find the specific dish you're making, such as roast beef or focaccia, simply scan the QR code located in the lid. You'll then find the menu number. For example, focaccia will use the oven and the addition of steam, which is programme 32. Select the category, rotate the dial to choose the programme, input the weight and press start. The QR code is a handy way of accessing all kinds of helpful information relating to the use and care of your appliance. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.